Tell me why you're playing with my mind, or you either do or don't, you will or you won't.
Alright, my beautiful souls, welcome back to my channel. If you would like to see how the main choice, pink lemonade and coconut lime, allow me to get this beautiful style, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I'm going to start off by shampooing my hair twice with the antioxidant and texture beautifier shampoo. This shampoo is non-stripping, it lathers really well, and is enhanced with antioxidants that gives your hair the perfect balance of clarification, moisture, and hydration. Separating my hair into manageable sections, I'm going to apply a generous amount of the beautifier conditioner. This conditioner is designed to be lightweight and anti-frizz formulated, so I'm going to work that in through my hair strands and then proceed to detangle my hair and let that sit for about 30 minutes. When I rinsed out this conditioner, what I noticed is that it left my hair super conditioned, and I really appreciated this conditioner for that. So to start off the perm rod process, I'm going to separate my hair into smaller sections and apply 1 pump of the curl boosting sherbet to that section and work that in, and follow that up with a 1/4 size amount of the beautifier mousse. Once I've done that, I'm going to detangle my hair once more and begin to twist my hair starting from the root down the perm rod and secure it in place. Combining the boosting sherbet and the beautifier mousse together has some amazing benefits. Both of these products are designed to provide your hair with weightless curls by conditioning your hair and also adding longer lasting shine, definition, and improving the elasticity of your hair. Just in case anyone is wondering, I used 56 of the pink perm rods and 4 of the white ones because I ran out of the pink ones. So I'm going to continue to apply both of these products through the remainder of my head before applying the perm rods. And once I'm done, I'm going to sit under a hooded dryer for an hour and 30 minutes. And when I come back, we can go ahead and begin the takedown and the separation process. What you're seeing right now is just me unraveling each of those curls 2 to 3 times, and then I'm going to use my afro pick to pick out my hair to the desired quality that I want. You guys already know I don't like day 1 hair, so we're going to fluff and pick until we get a day 3 or day 4 looking hair, and once we've done that, we're going to proceed on to styling. For the styling process, I'm going to keep it super simple by pinning my hair to one side, and then I decided I want more of a curly mohawk look, so I'm going to pin the other side as well, and that pretty much completes this tutorial, guys. If you're interested in any of the products that I mentioned, take a look at the description box. I will have all the information for you down below. And if you've tried this line from the main choice and you liked it or you didn't like it, connect with me down in the comment section below and let me know why. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and connect with me on my Instagram, Creolenaturelle. Until the next time, peace and light.